Hello, everyone. Welcome to visit our company. PDW Packing was founded in 2011, specializing in the production of custom paper packaging boxes, products of high quality, best price, widely used in a variety of product package, such as electronic products, food, gift, stationery, jewelry, medicine, toy, and etc. Not only has the broad masses of the domestic sales market, but also exported to all over the world, main Europe and the United States. We have tens of thousands of samples, including a lot of box types, like ordinary boxes, magnetic boxes, drawer boxes, tube boxes, mail boxes, even special design products, and etc. Welcome to visit our sample customization process. You know that every box needs design and sample testing to ensure that the box makes your product perfect. We have sample making machines and engineers. Our engineers have 20 years of experience in paper packaging boxes, so we can make a white sample according to your requirement within 2 hours of your testing. This is our workshop. PDW Packing have a professional, dedicated design management team. From product design, sample making, mass order for each aspect, and processes are rigorously testing and control. Welcome to visit our workshop automatic production line. We have automatic machines for producing boxes. The daily output of each machine can reach 15,000 pieces, especially for ordinary boxes. So, if an order of 50,000 pieces boxes, if produced with automata, takes about 2 days. The machines has shortened the lead time. We have not only automatic production line, but also handmade production line. Welcome to visit our workshop, Handmade Production Line. We have a lot of workers with more than 10 years experience. They are skilled, fast, and specialized in doing specially designed manual work. Over the past 10 years of production and exploration, PDW Packing set up its own custom management system to always implement the concept of customer value creation for customers, tailored products to meet the needs of different customers, and continuously provide customers with solutions and technical problems. Further exploration and innovation and excellence. Warmly welcome you and opening up the boundaries of communication. We synchronize with your ideal partner. We are a big family. Let's work and live happily together.